Hello students, I hope you all are doing good. Myself, Jessica teacher from St. Paul's High School. So I'm back again with a craft activity. So today we'll be making fish. You could also call it as 3D fish. So using paper like craft papers or say tinted papers, you all can make that fish. So let's begin. So let's see how to make the fish. So students, let's start making the fish. So what all things are required for making fish? See, you all need craft papers, colored craft papers, any color you all can take, and glue, scissor and pencil and plate, okay, something that is round. So I'll be using this plate. Okay, so first we have to cut the paper into circle. So I'll take one color. Okay, I'll take this orange. Place my plate here. And with the help of this, I'll draw a circle. Okay, after drawing the circle, you all have to cut it with scissors. So now when you're cutting this, please take help of your parents. Be careful while cutting. Don't cut your fingers. So properly cut it. So after you all are done with the cutting of circle, you all are going to take the next color paper, that is blue. Now see, this is contrasting color, no? So you can choose color accordingly. So now on the other paper, we are going to draw the make the face for the fish. So for making the face of the fish, see, like this, you are going to make like a heart shape. Okay, this way. Then for the fins, see, two fins like this, similar to heart shape. And for the tail also like this, and this is for an eye. So this we are going to cut. So using scissors again, cut it properly. So see, I have cut it. Okay, these are the two fins and this is the tail. So we'll just draw some lines, few lines, as this will be the fin. Just like this. Here also. And this is the tail. So on the tail also. And then you're going to take your circle, okay, slightly fold it into half, give a slant creased, and just check where is the center of the circle by folding it like this. See, so here we are getting the center. Just pinch there, and then we are going to cut it from here. See, I have created a creased line here by folding the circle, and then with the help of scissors, you are going to give a cut like this. See, okay, after cutting this, I am going to roll it. See, like this. This way. Okay, and then you are going to take your glue. See, take your glue, apply little glue, and then stick it, paste it properly. So it looks like this. And then after this, see, this is the mouth portion, no? So like this we are going to stick it for the mouth, like this. So you can just adjust the cutting here. From here we can give a cut. So with the help of scissors, make it little round, and then you can apply glue here. Okay, and we are going to stick it like this. Okay, same way we'll stick the fins also. So apply little bit of glue here. Stick it behind, down also. For the tail also. Okay, and this tail, same thing, behind. Exactly here you can stick the tail. Like this. And for the eye, you can cut a circle. This way you may cut a circle, and then can just draw another circle inside, half circle, and color it in black like this. So after you all make an eye, you can apply glue behind, just a drop, and this also we will stick it here on top. See, like this. Okay, so our fish is done. So now we need to stick this. So to show the mouth, see, like this, I've cut a small heart in red color. Okay, small heart. So you can stick it here. So just apply a bit of glue, and then for the mouth we can stick it. Like this. Okay. So students, it's time to stick. So now you can take a A4 size paper if you have, or else any paper that you have, and then you may stick it like this. See, I have also made a baby fish, small one. Like this you can stick it. So just apply glue. I'll apply it on the fins, so it will be easy to stick. See, this way. This one also I'll stick. See, like this. Okay, and then for the background, if you all want, you can draw sea plants, you can show water. So according to you all can make the background. So isn't it simple? So using this simple technique. Okay, like this you can show sea plants. And you can also color the background in blue very light blue, and then you can also show the bubbles like this. So you can also do your own background which is related to this topic. Okay, so like this. If you want to show fish also, you can show fish. Water waves. Okay, so like this you're going to make the fish and stick it nicely. Okay, so I hope everyone has understood this topic. It's easy and something creative. Okay, so thank you everyone. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you.